Hello children, so we'll continue with trigonometrical ratios part 2. Now let's take some more examples. Question number 1. Now we are given the diagram. Okay, so you have to understand this. I'll redraw here. This is right angle here. Okay, and this angle is given to be x and this is y, and this length this is A, B, C, and this is D, and BD is 3 units, and AC is 12, and this AD is 4. Now we have to find the values of these ratios. So before we try to find the values of these ratios, we have to make sure that we know the length of all the sides of these triangles. Like in triangle ACD, we don't know the length of CD, and in triangle ABD, we don't know the length of AB. So we have to find this length first. Okay, so first take this triangle. In triangle ABD, now we don't know AB, so to find the third side, since this is a right angle, this also is a right angle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the third angle. Okay, and you know this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. So in triangle ABD, according to Pythagoras theorem, okay, longest side is square, AB square equal to sum of the square of other two sides, that is AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem, when you use, always take the longest side in one side, square of the longest side in one side, and sum of the square of other two sides on the other side. So AD is 4, so 4 is square, plus BD is 3, so 3 is square. So 4 is square 16, 3 is square 9, that is 25. So therefore AB equal to, now since you are removing square from here, you get square root of 25. So length is always positive, so we take the positive sign. So square root of 25 is 5. So we know. So now we know all the three sides of this triangle. Now we'll take second triangle. So in triangle ACD, the longest side is AC square. So we have AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Remember, longest side is AC, this triangle. We are taking ACD. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Again by Pythagoras theorem. This also. So in this case AC we know. So 12 square is equal to AD is 4 square. CD we don't know. So we write CD square as it is. So that is 144 equal to 16 plus CD square implies CD square equal to, now this 16 will bring this side, so 144 minus 16. So this implies CD square equal to 14 minus 6 is 8, here 3, so 128. So this will give you CD equal to root over 128. Now to find the square root, you factorize. Okay, so 128 you factorize. So 2 will go 64 times, 2 will go 32 times, okay, 2 will go 16 times, 2 will go 8 times, 2 will go 4 times, and 2 will go 2 times. So how many 2's you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from every 2, 1 2 will come out. So 1, 2, 3 pairs we have, so 3 2's will come out. So 8 will come out, this 2 will remain under root. 8 into 2. Because to take a square root, to find the square root, you have to take one factor out of every 2 factors. From 2 2's, 1 2 will come. From this to 1, this to 1. So 3 2's, so that will make it 8. So this 2 is doesn't have a pair, so will remain under root. So this is 8 root over 2. Now we'll take question number 1. So we have to find the value of sine x. So sine x, you know sine is some people have. Okay, so which triangle you take? X is here, so angle of reference is x here. So we'll take this triangle ABD. So some people have, that means AD by AB, because sine is some people have, because it is perpendicular opposite to x and hypotenuse opposite to right angle, and the third side is base. So AD equal to 4 and AB equal to 5. So this is answer. This is the simplest form. Number 2, we have to find the value of cot x. Cot x. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan is turned permanently back, P by B. So tan is P by B means cot is B by P. So x is here B by P. That is BD. This is base by P. That is AD. So that is 3 by 4 answer. Number 3. So we have to find the value of cot square x. Cot square x minus cosec square x. Now cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan is P by B. So cot is D by P. So we have already found here. This is 3 by 4 whole square. This is cot we already found. Minus cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine is some people have P by H. So cosec is H by P. So H by P is H is here. Sine we already know. Sine is 4 by 5 means cosec will be 5 by 4 reciprocal. So 5 by 4 and its whole square. Okay, sine is 4 by 5. So cosec is 5 by 4 reciprocal. So 9 by 16 minus 25 by 16. So if you take LCM, LCM is 16. So 9 minus 25. So this will be minus 16 by 16. So it is minus 1 is the answer. So the last part, part 4, we have to find the value of tan square y minus 1 by cos square y. Now remember, angle of reference here is y. So we have to consider this angle. So we have to consider this triangle containing y. So tan is turned permanently black. So P by B. So that is 4 by base is 8 root 2 and its whole square minus 1 by cos is curly brown here, B by H. So B by H, that is 8 root 2 by 12 and its whole square. Okay, tan is P by B and cos is B by H. So B by H. So this will give you whole square is 16, 8 root 2 whole square is, you know, is 128. So 128 you get minus. So if you change division to multiplication, because you have fraction in the denominator, so this 12 will go up and this will remain in the denominator. So 12 square will be 144 by 128. So if you take LCM, 128, so 16 minus 144, so minus 128 by 128, so answer is minus 1. Okay. Alright, now we'll take another example. This also similar type, only diagram is different, otherwise method is same. Now question number 2. See, the diagram given is this one. Okay, here A, B, C, this is right angle, this also right angle. This is 25, this angle is Y and this angle is X, and this side is 9 and this side is 12. Okay, so now this side we don't know and this side also we don't know. Okay, so first thing I told you, we have to find the unknown sides first. So in this triangle ABC, two sides are unknown, so we cannot find these two sides. So if we take this triangle first, A, B, C, D, we have two sides known, only one side unknown, and this right angle. So we take this triangle first and find out BC. So in triangle BCD, longest side is BC, so we have BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Which one you write first doesn't matter here. Pythagoras theorem. So BD here is 9 square plus CD is 12 square. That is 81 plus 144. That is 225. So therefore BC equal to root over 225. That is 15. So this length is 15. Now we know two sides, we can find out AB. So therefore in triangle ABC, the longest side, this is right angle, so longest side is AC. So we have AC square is equal to we have AB square plus AC plus BC square. BC square, because AC is the longest side, so AB square plus BC square. Now AC we know 25 square is equal to AB we don't know, so write as it is. BC is 15, we have found here, BC equal to 15. So this give you 25 square is 625 equal to AB square plus 225. So AB square will be equal to, then bring this side, 625 minus 225. This will give you AB square equal to 625 minus 225 will be 400, implies AB equal to root over 400, that is 20. So we know this side also 20. Now we have all the sides known. Now we take question number 1. We have to find the value of 2 sin y minus cos y is equal. Be careful, check the angle of reference. Here angle is y, so y means we have to take this triangle. Okay, if x is given, we take this triangle. So 2 into sin y, sin is some people have. So angle is here, so this is P. So people have, so that is 9 by 15 minus cos y. Cos is B by H, so 12 by 15. Okay, so LCM is 15. So 9 2s are here, 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 is 6 by 15. So if we cancel by 3, 2 by 5. This is the answer. Number 2. Next question is 2 sin x minus cos x. So 2 into sin, some people have. Now angle is x here. X means this triangle we have to take. So 2 sin means some people have. So this is right angle. So people have. This is P, this is H. So 15 by 25 minus cos x. Cos is B by H. So that is B by H. So that is 20 by 25. So here cancel by 5. So 3, 5 will go. Cancel by 5, 4, 5. So if you take LCM, LCM is 5. So here 2 3s are 6 minus here as it is 4. So that is 2 by, that is the answer. Now part 3. Part 3, we have to find the value of 1 minus sin x plus cos y. So 1 minus sin x. X means here, this triangle. Sin means some people have. So 15 by 25 plus cos y. Y is here. So we have to take this triangle. Cos is B by H. Because angle is here, this is perpendicular. So B by H is 12 by 15. Okay. So if we can cancel, so cancel by 5, 3s are 5, 5s are cancel by 3, 3 4s are 3 5s are. So if you take LCM, LCM is 5. So here 5 minus 3 plus 4. So that will give you 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 3 is 6 by 5 answer. Okay, and last part, part 4. Question is 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. We have to find the value of this. So 2 into cos x. X is here. So remember, this x means this perpendicular. So cos is currently bound here. B by H. So B by H will be 20 by 25. This is base, this is hypotenuse. H is always opposite to right angle. Minus 3 into sine y. Y is here. Sine is P by H. So this is y here, P by H. So 9 by 15. Plus 4 tan x, x here. Tan is P by B. So P by B. P by B, that is 15 by 20. P by B, because this is x. So if you simplify this one, so here you can cancel by 5. 5 will go 4 times. 5 5 is 25. 3 will go 3 times. 3 will go 5 times here. So here 5 can go 3 times. 5 can go 4 times. So LCM is 5 5 4. So LCM is 20. So 5 4. So 4 if you divide 20 by 5 get 4. 4 4s are 16. 2s are 32. So you get 32 minus 5 will go 4 times. So 9 4s are 36 plus 4 will go 5 times. So 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So you get 60 plus 32 will be 92 minus 36 by 20. So 92. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 56 by 20. So if you cancel by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. So 14 by 5. Okay. So this kind of sums you can solve in this way. Now we'll take another type now. That is question number 3. So given sine theta equal to 3 by 5, we have to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. Okay, you can do it in two ways. One, we can use formula. Okay, from sine theta we can find cos theta, and from cos theta we can find tan theta. Okay, otherwise we can use triangle also, which we'll do in another sum. So here sine theta, so you know cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta from square relations. So that is 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, that is 1 minus 9 by 25. So if you take LCM 25 minus 9, because 25 into 1 25, so that is 16 by 25. So therefore cos theta equal to root over 16 by 25. So this is 4 by 5. Now remember, theta is acute angle here, so the value of cos theta will be positive. When theta is acute, all the ratios are positive. So we take plus sign only. So now we know sin theta and cos theta. So answer number 1. This is answer number 1. So number 2, we have to find the value of tan theta. Tan theta you know from quotient relation, sin theta upon cos theta. This is the formula. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta value is 3 by 5 and cos theta is 4 by 5. So this 5 cancels. So what is the answer? 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay, now another question, that is question number 4. Similar question, given cosec theta equal to root over 5 and theta is less than 90 degrees, find the value of cot theta minus cos theta. Okay, instead of using your formula, you can use triangle and pause it in the previous, like question number 1 and 2, you can do the same way. Like cosec theta is root by 5, you can write as a fraction root 5 by 1. Okay, so take right angle triangle and take this as theta. Right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So suppose angle of reference is theta. Okay, so cosec is, sine is P by H, so cosec is H by P. So H is root 5 and P is 1. Now if you can find BC, then we can find all the, because once you know 3 sides, you can find any ratio. So suppose let ABC be a right triangle at B, means right angle triangle at B. So therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So cosec theta root pi by 1 implies here, therefore cosec theta is B by H, S by P, sin theta is P by H, so cosec is S by P. So here you get AC by AB is equal to root 5 by 1. So we can take AC equal to root 5 and AB equal to 1. Okay, and find out the other side. So AC is root 5 equal to AB is 1 square, BC we have to find BC square, implies BC square equal to root 5 square is 5, square root cancel root, and 1 square is 1, so it becomes minus 1 because when 1 comes this side it becomes minus 1. So this implies BC equal to root over 4, because 5 minus 1 4, when you remove square you get root, that is 2, because BC is the length, so we take positive. Okay, this is using Pythagoras theorem once again. So now we have all the sides, so now we can find any ratio. So we'll take the question now. We have to find the value of cos theta minus cos theta. So therefore cot theta minus cos theta. So cot theta, remember, tan is P by B, so cot is B by P. So B by P, so that is 2 by 1 minus cos theta is B by H. B by H means 2 by root 5. Okay, curly brown here, B by H. Okay, so if you take LCM, so you get root 5, then you get 2 root 5 minus 2. So if you rationalize this root 5, then you multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5. So you get 2 root 5 minus 2 into root 5 by root 5 into root 5. It's called rationalization. We rationalize the denominator because it is irrational number. So if you multiply, you get root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10 minus 2 root 5 you get 2 into root 5 upon root 5 into root 5 is, it is 5. Okay, so this can be left as answer. Okay, now let's take the last question. It's also similar to this one. Question number 5. Given 13 sin A is equal to 5, then we have to find the value of that expression, 5 sin A minus 2 cos A upon tan A. Now, if the previous question is not clear, then you can see this one carefully and try to understand. We follow the same process. So we take a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B, same way. So here 13 sin A equal to 5 means sin A equal to 5 by 13. So sin is some people have, so angle, so A is given, so it's better to take A here and C here for convenience. Okay, so angle of reference will be A. It will be easy for us to find that this is perpendicular, this hypotenuse, this is base. So sin, some people have, 5 H 13. Now we don't know AB. So we use Pythagoras theorem and do it. So let's suppose a triangle. Let triangle ABC be a right triangle at B. So therefore sin 5 by 13 means some people have. So BC by AC equal to 5 by 13. Okay, so we can suppose, so let BC equal to 5 units, AC equal to 13 units. So now we use Pythagoras theorem. So longest side is AC. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AC is 13. So 13 square equal to AB we have to find now. Keep as it is. BC is 5 square, implies AB square equal to 13 square is 169 5 square comes this side, becomes minus, so 25 equal to 144. So this implies AB equal to root over 144. As you know, we are removing square from here, so and root over 144 is 12. So now we know all the three sides. So we take the question now. Therefore, we have to find the value of 5 sine A minus 2 cos A whole upon tan A. We have to find the value of this expression. So 5 sine A, so 5 into sine A, angle is here. So sine means some people have. So 5 by 13. Then minus 2 into cos, curly brown hair, B by H, 12 by 13. Upon tan, tan is turned permanently black, P by B, so 5 by 12. Okay. So let's simplify the numerator first. So this is 25 by 13 minus 24 by 13. Okay, so this division you can change to multiplication. This becomes 12 by 5. 5 by 12 becomes 12 by 5. We take the reciprocal as we have changed division into multiplication. So if you take LCM here, so when denominators are same, LCM is same, so you can directly subtract here. 25 minus 24 is 1 by 13 into 12 by 5. So 12 ones are 12, 13 into 5, 65. So this is answer. Okay, thank you.